Greetings each and everyone from wherever you are watching us from. My name is Mate Shafik, mostly known as Mate Dontu. I'm a motivational speaker and currently I'm going to be running a program called How to Make Africa a Better Place. How to Make Africa a Better Place. So it's going to be going live starting from 8 a.m. in the morning to 9 a.m. in the morning. It's going to be taking only 1 hour, and we are calling all those people who would like to participate because I'm the host, and I'm calling all the people who would like to participate, talk about different things in the country. Uh, we need representatives from all African countries. And those who would like to support or sponsor this program, you are welcome. So starting from tomorrow, be tuned on TikTok, Mate Dontu TikTok channel. So you can search for it uh, and follow us. Yeah, follow us and be informed that tomorrow we are going to start going live on that program called How to Make Africa a Better Place. So stay tuned. I'm waiting for you tomorrow. And if you are out there and would like to sponsor this program, you can follow us, send us a message. Thank you very much. May God protect you throughout the day until tomorrow. May God bless you.